Let us now learn the basics of YAML syntax. As you know, YAML is a text-based format. I have mentioned in the previous section that it is a simple format. So this example, which I have used to share the course objective, is also a valid YAML. This is very much human readable. YAML is a clean format because all the data is represented as key value pair. You have key on the left, then a colon, and then this space is important. Without this, the YAML will be invalid. Then a value may contain any data type. So in this case, it could be a string or text. For a text or a string, you may use quotation mark, single quote, or double quote, or it is optional, but it is used only to prevent misrepresentation when there is a parser which will be working on this YAML data, and you want to be extra careful that it should not get misrepresented or interpreted as some other data type. And in YAML, we use spaces for defining the structure. This is same as in Python, and spaces provides a structure to the document. So here you have learning objective, which is the parent. Then there are indentation with two spaces, which represent the child. So learning objectives have various objective items, which is what is YAML basic syntax. Strings could be used with quotes or without quotes, and it is case sensitive. We begin a YAML document with 3 hyphens. This is also optional, but a YAML file, which is usually represented with .yml or .yaml extension, can contain multiple documents. A file is a stream of data, and this stream of data can contain multiple documents. So for example, I mentioned here there are 3 documents, and each of them is started with 3 hyphens, and this is the end of the document 1, which is about the course objective. Second document is some data, no key value pair. Now you should note that YAML is case sensitive. So these are all values are unique values. They are not duplicates, and they will be treated as distinct values by YAML. When you end a document, you again use 3 hyphens. But there is an exception to this rule. If you have the last document, in that case, you use 3 dot. 3 dot represents end of a document without starting a new document. So it represents end of a stream. So in this case, this document 2, which has various key and some data, this is dummy for the time being, just for example. Here 3 hyphen is used because we are ending this document and beginning another one. But in the next document, which has some data for file extensions, here I am using 3 dots because I am ending the document and ending the stream and not starting any new document in the file. So this also marks end of the string. And YAML do not allow tabs. You should always be careful that use only white spaces. And in case accidentally you add tabs, the YAML will become invalid.